Hey guys, I'm your Frankenstein. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful fidget spinner. Let's jump into the video. I took a 110 dia plate which is 10 mm in thickness. With the help of SolidWorks software, I made the design of the fidget spinner. These are the basic dimensions of the fidget spinner. First we are going to achieve the shape and then we are going to drill the holes. So I took the print of the design in 1:1 size and I am going to stick it on the metal piece. Actually the lathe process of the metal piece got deleted by mistake. In future I'll be making another fidget spinner, so that time I will explain you about the lathe process. Now I'm marking the outline of the fidget spinner so that I can cut the unnecessary parts. With the help of cut-off wheel, I'm going to cut the outline of the fidget spinner. And now it's time for grinding. Finally, we got the shape of the fidget spinner. And just testing whether it spins properly. Actually, it spins nearly for 30 seconds, which is pretty impressive. Now I'm going to grind the edges of the fidget spinner so it doesn't hurt my finger when it spins. So I'm making the sharp edges little blunt. I'm just hitting the outer edges of the fidget spinner. I gave the metal piece for the blackening process. Blackening is similar to coating and it also prevents from rusting. And now it's time to drill the holes, so I have marked the places where the drills to be done. With the help of a glue, I just glued the template to the fidget spinner. With the help of the center punch, I am marking the places where we should drill. Now let's drill. First I am going to pre-drill every place with 2 mm drill bit, so that when we proceed with the next drill bit it will be easier to drill. Actually the inner drill is going to be 8 mm, then 6 mm, then 4 mm, then 2 mm. For rest now I am just drilling the 2 mm drill bit. Now it's time to change to 4 mm drill bit. Next we are going to drill with 6 mm drill bit. And finally the last roll is going to be drilled with 8 mm drill bit. The design looks really cool. To add little chamfer to the end of the holes, I am going to use a 10 mm drill bit. Actually I am not drilling a hole, I am just making a chamfer at the top of the holes. Finally, we made a beautiful fidget spinner.